Bought a baby Gucci scrollers. Switch it up and I went global. Can't play around, I had to grow up. Check out my neck, hell of a glow up. These niggas capping, that shit blow up. My dog.
Hello guys, welcome back to another fucking video. And I'm sorry about the late video and shit. And I just want to show you guys my 2 months update. So this is the front, sides, back. That's a little fucked up, but yeah, back and other side. And the front, like you can see, front. Okay. I can do all that shit that, bro. And today's I'm finna go get a haircut right there. And this is not bad, bro. This is not bad. 2 months is. It's pretty long, right? It's pretty long, but 2 months, this shit pretty long, man. So I get right back to you guys with the rest of the video.
If you want it, you got it. You know how I'm rocking. They never could stop it. It's stuffed in my pocket. I go up for the score and they never could block it. After the show, I count up in the miles. Tears fall from the lies despite 100 bands through the time of the night. When you left, I ain't wanna live life. Now I'm happy on the in and outside. Can you make it back?